Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add or create Polymarket markets. Now first let's answer the question, can we make markets in Polymarket or no? So in their help center they stated that while users cannot directly create their own markets, they are encouraged to suggest ideas for new markets. So how can you suggest the idea? It's very simple. All you need to do is press on here on Discord, and then it will take you to market suggestions channel where you can suggest your market idea. You need to provide the market title, the resolution source, and evidence of demand for trading that market. And that's it. Or you can just post it on Twitter and tag Polymarket, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.